Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we're going to be trimming out a door jamb. That's right, learn to cut and install casing super easy. I'm going to show you how. Let's get to it. I just want to find out what the deal is here, and it looks like the door's out of level a little bit, but still we're gonna have to trim it out crooked to make it look right. So now when I cut this, I've got a 90-degree angle here, or what's supposed to be a 90-degree angle. So I'm gonna need a 45 in order to picture frame this in. Now make sure you got your casing turned the right way. If this is my bottom and I'm cutting my left side, this is gonna be the inside of my casing. The fat side goes to the outside. So if I'm cutting my right side, measuring from the bottom, I've got 62 and 3/8. Little laser, okay. Put it back in place, and you can use the old paint line as a guide. Make sure you leave your reveal. Other side. Now when we're measuring for our top, we're gonna do outside to outside corners. Outside, I've got 35 and a heavy 5/8. Okay, now we wanna start with the outside corner. So I'm gonna start with the top right. Okay, 35 and a heavy 5/8, outside corner to outside corner. Top piece goes on. And if we did it right, it should line up perfect. Line up your corner. Caulk. Now you can use your finger to rub it into the cracks and holes. And wipe with a sponge. Don't forget this little inside track, but it's gonna take a lot less, so just squeeze gently. All right, so that's it. You rocked it. Remove that 1970 something casing and put new casing. Caulked it in, and now it looks awesome. I'm so glad you were able to watch the video. Now you have no excuse for any door jamb in your house to look bad. So for the Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.